Hey, what's up, guys? Bobby K from Pip Syndicate. I'm happy to be back, man. Some of you guys were on my list who have been with me for a while. You know that I've been talking about going to Southeast Asia, and what happened was I did end up going to Southeast Asia. I stayed there for about a couple of months. Then I came back here with my fiance. We got married. Thank you. And now I'm ready to go back live again, guys. But while I was over there, a friend of mine, Michael, he showed me this impulse scanner. Okay, and I was using it over there. Anybody who knows about Southeast Asia, the internet's a little spotty over there. So I didn't really try to go live or anything over there, but I was trading over there here and there, as I went from the village to the hotels and stuff like that. And I've been checking out this impulse scanner. I'm going to show you a trade I took this morning. I'm going to show you a little bit how it works, and I'm going to show you how to get it if you're interested. So let's do it. Let me head over to the scanner. Okay, guys, this is a trade I took this morning. All right, the way this works is you come over here on the side, and it tells you the way the market is trending. So you can see when I took this trade, on the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 15 minute, the 30 minute, the 1 hour, all of them were trending up. So that's what we're looking for when we're looking to take a trade, right, guys? So then what we're looking for is, you see the blue arrows, that means it's going up. We look for 4 red arrows in a row at least. Okay, that tells you that it's doing a pullback. And then on the next blue arrow, you can enter. Okay, so you can see here, I waited. Even though this is a blue candle, it still gave me a red arrow. It wasn't ready for me to take the trade. This was the first blue arrow here, so I entered right here. This is the entry mark. This was my area of interest where I got out. And this would have been where, the trade wasn't valid anymore. So it was about a 1.5 to 1. Okay, now we have a group, right, on Discord with tons of members, guys. This company's been around for over 10 years. And this is one way that we use the scanner. There's a couple of ways to do it, and all the training is in there. And there's a couple of Facebook groups. Okay, I'm going to actually be doing this live. So if you want, like and subscribe to this video and set the alerts. And I'll be trading this live every day, starting probably Monday. Next week I'll be trading live every day using this scanner. And no set time. It'll be in the morning. But you want to subscribe because sometimes I'll come home in the afternoon, I'll check it. And you just scroll through here and see, now this would be no trade. You can check the whole market in a couple of minutes. You're looking for one where they're all the same color. It also has like gold, all the commodities, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dash, whatever. Indices. You guys know me. I like to trade NASDAQ. So you just got everything here, man. And we got a great group, guys. And it's been around almost 11 years, over 10 years, maybe 11 years. So if you guys want any information about it, hit me up. Okay, I'll put it in the description. I'm trying to think if I forgot anything. If you're trading on the 1 minute, you want to make sure that it's going all the same way up until the 4 hours. So you want the 1 hour, 30 minute, and then you can look for an entry. Okay, now this is not the only way to use it, but this is the easiest way. It's perfect for a beginner. Now it's not going to win every trade, but they're going to teach you how to use it. We're going to teach you how to proper risk management. And yeah, this is a great tool, man. If you want to join, let me show you this if I can find it real quick. Yeah, when you come in, I'm going to send you a link. If you want to join, it's going to bring you to this page. You're going to select foreign exchange, right? Not foreign exchange plus, foreign exchange, and then impulse. Okay? That's how it goes. So let me know, guys. All right? And I'll be going live. Like and subscribe, guys. Thank you. I'll see you on the next one. I'll see you next week when we go live every day with this bad boy. Thanks, guys. See you later.